Today, we're diving into the powerhouse combo of the ASRock A520M-HDV motherboard and the Thermaltake Smart 500W PSU. Let's kick things off with the motherboard. Designed to support 3rd Gen AMD AM4 Ryzen processors and future Ryzen releases, this board packs a punch with its 6-phase power design, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. Plus, with support for DDR4 4733+ OC RAM, you can push your system to the limit without breaking a sweat. The inclusion of one PCIe 3.0x16 and one PCIe 3.0x1 slots offers flexibility for expansion, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity setups. Now, onto the Thermaltake Smart 500W PSU. Delivering a continuous 500 watts of power, this PSU boasts compliance with Intel ATX 12V 2.31 and EPS 12V 2.92 standards, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of systems. With an 80+ certification, it operates at an impressive 80% efficiency under typical loads, helping you save on energy costs without sacrificing performance. The inclusion of industry-grade protections such as overpower protection, OPP, overvoltage protection, OVP, and short-circuit protection, SCP, offers peace of mind, safeguarding your components from unexpected power issues. In conclusion, the ASRock A520M-HDV and Thermaltake Smart 500W PSU make for a stellar combination, providing the reliability, performance, and efficiency needed for any PC build. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or casual user, this duo has you covered. So, if you're looking to upgrade or build a new rig, consider these two components for a seamless computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.